Good morning, Air India 101 Heavy, 12015 on.
Air India 101 Heavy, near approach. Good morning. Descend to maintain 5,000. Expect ILS runway 22 left approach.
Descend maintain 5,000, 22 left ILS, Air India 101 Heavy.
Air India 101 Heavy, ATC information. Kilo is current. Entity altimeter 3024.
Kilo and 3024, Air India 101 Heavy.
Air India 101 Heavy, heading 260.
Heading 260, Air India 101 Heavy, and just to inform you, sir, just got a notification from our company, which is of a bomb threat received for this flight. So we would, it's a non-specific bomb threat, but we would like to expedite our descent.
Air India 101 Heavy, heading 290.
Heading 290, Air India 101 Heavy.
Air India 101 Heavy, pilot discretion, is going to maintain 4,000.
Descend maintain 4,000, Air India 101 Heavy.
Air India 101 Heavy, when able, state souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
Souls on board are 218, and fuel right now is 9,400 kg. Virgin Air India 101 Heavy, and now 7700.
Air India 101 Heavy, will you be able to vacate the runway, or will you be stopping on the runway?
We can vacate the runway, Air India 101 Heavy.
Okay, Roger. Tower is aware, and they will have the emergency truck standing by.
Thank you, 101 Heavy.
Air India 101 Heavy, turn heading 330.
Taken Air India 101 Heavy, sorry.
Heading 330.
Heading 330, Air India 101 Heavy. New York Air India 101 Heavy, we have about 20.2 pounds on board.
Okay, thank you. Air India 101 Heavy, speed 190, descend to maintain 3,000.
Speed 190, descend maintain 3,000, Air India 101 Heavy.
Air India 101 Heavy, turn left heading 280.
Turning 280, Air India 101 Heavy.
By Air India 101 Heavy, turn left heading 250, join localizer 22 left.
Left heading 250 to instead of localizer 22 left, Air India 10.
Air India 101 Heavy, 9 miles from Zalpo, maintain 3,000, full stop localizer, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach.
3,000 until established, Air India 101 Heavy, ILS 22 left.
Thank you, and speed is your discretion, sir.
Air India 1.
Air India 101 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1, good day.
1191, Air India 101 Heavy, good day. Hey, good morning, Air India 101 Heavy, ILS 22 left.
Air India 101 Heavy, can you good morning, wind calm, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Runway 22 left, cleared to land, Air India 101 Heavy.
Air India 101 Heavy, for now, turn right on Juliet, hold short of Yankee, please.
Right, Juliet, hold short Yankee, Air India 101 Heavy.